In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize handheld footage with Warp Stabilizer in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, make sure you already have your project open in Premiere Pro and that the video clip you want to stabilize is sitting on your timeline. This is important because Warp Stabilizer needs to be applied directly to a clip that's already in your sequence, not just in the project bin. Next, we're going to open the Effects panel. Look at the very top of your screen and click on the Window menu. From that dropdown, choose Effects. When you do this, an Effects tab should appear in the lower left area of your workspace, usually near your project panel. If you don't see it right away, check if it's grouped with other tabs and click on the one labeled Effects. Now, inside the Effects panel, click on the search bar and type Warp Stabilizer. You should see it show up under Video Effects, then Distort. Warp Stabilizer is listed inside that Distort folder. Once you've found it, click and drag Warp Stabilizer onto the clip you want to stabilize on your timeline, then release. As soon as you drop the effect onto your clip, you'll see a blue banner appear over that clip in the program monitor. It will say, Analyzing in Background, Step 1 of 2. This is Premiere Pro going through your footage frame by frame to understand the motion, so it can figure out how to smooth it out. Depending on the length and resolution of your clip, this process can take a while, so be patient and let it run. If you want to check the progress, go to the Effect Controls panel, usually found in the top left of your workspace when the clip is selected. Under Warp Stabilizer, you'll see a percentage that slowly counts up as the analysis continues. Once the analysis is finished, that blue banner will change to an orange one that simply says Stabilizing. That's step 2, where Premiere is actually applying the corrections it calculated. Again, this might take a bit of time, especially with longer or high-resolution clips, so just let it complete. When the banner disappears, that means Warp Stabilizer is done. Now, play back your clip in the timeline. You should notice that the handheld shake has been smoothed out, and the movement looks much more stable and professional. If you're happy with how it looks, you're done. That's all there is to it. Drag on Warp Stabilizer, let it analyze and stabilize, then review your footage to see the improved result.